In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI as a finance pro to save hours of work. We'll start simple and end with an actionable prompt you can reuse whenever you need a clean, investor-ready model. First, open your browser and head to Google. This is just the quickest way to get to the right place without typing long addresses. In the search box, type Claude AI and hit enter. You'll likely see a few ads and articles, so look for the official site with the Claude.ai domain. Clicking the official result ensures you're using the right tool and helps you avoid lookalike pages. If you plan to use it often, consider bookmarking it for faster access later. Once you're on the site, open a new chat. This is where you'll give Claude a clear, finance-focused instruction. Think of your prompt as your brief. It sets expectations, defines outputs, and saves hours by avoiding back and forth. Here's a strong template you can use and adapt. Create a beginner-friendly, step-by-step, 5-year cash flow model with formulas, tables, a markdown chart, and an investor conclusion based on the assumptions I provide. That wording tells Claude exactly what format you want and how thorough to be. Now gather your assumptions. The more specific you are, the better the model. Include things like starting revenue, growth rates, pricing, key cost drivers, headcount and salaries, capital expenditures, depreciation method, tax rate, and basic working capital assumptions. If you're unsure about any of these, add reasonable placeholders and label them clearly. You can refine them later. Paste those assumptions under your prompt so Claude knows what to use. When you're ready, click Submit. Claude will generate a structured set of outputs. Typically, a clear explanation of the model logic, year-by-year tables for operating, investing, and financing cash flows, line item formulas so you can rebuild or audit the math, and a markdown chart that visualizes trends over the 5-year period. You should also see a concise investor takeaway summarizing growth, cash burn, or generation, and runway or break-even timing. Review the results with a critical eye. Check that growth and margins make sense, that CapEx and depreciation align, and that cash flows reconcile to ending cash. If something looks off, ask Claude to adjust the assumptions or to show the calculation for a specific line. Finally, copy the tables into your spreadsheet to run scenarios, and save the conversation so you can update the model quickly as your numbers change. That's it. With a precise prompt and solid assumptions, Claude becomes your on-demand finance analyst, cutting hours into minutes.